Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Apex Legends connection to server timed out error, including code leaf and code wheel, so you can get back into your matches without any interruptions. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4. TCP/IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Under that, switch to Use the following DNS server addresses and set Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save it. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the black window, type this first command, ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type this command, netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, all you need to do is restart your computer and the Apex connection issue should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.